Bing, and we're live. It's Simon Thomas. It is EuroAsia Scrum. For change, I could go first. I have reviewed the LocalSupport pull request and got comments in for John and Marion and Michael. And yeah, it's looking good pull request with this new search interface, updated the way the client wants it. I think some interesting. I got some suggestions about trying things out. We also got some interesting things where they're pulling queries into a separate query module to avoid cluttering up the model, which is interesting. Yeah, I don't see any serious flaws in what they're presenting, and just have a few suggestions for refactoring. So please do be able to get that done. We had a cheap and cheerful, quick AutoGraders meeting last night with just myself and Richard, and Thomas dropped by. Let's see here, do I have, yeah, I've followed, it's interesting, I think what I'm sort of hearing from Armando is that they maybe have readjusted the ordering of the course somehow. It looks like I've missed an email from before. Anyway, yeah, but no particular news there. Yeah, LocalSupport climbing tomorrow, this afternoon, trying to have the alumni projects meeting. I know there's a various load of stuff that I need to get sorted out, just to kind of showcase all of the different charity jamboree projects that have come through. But that's about it from my side. How are things with you, Thomas? Have we lost Thomas?
I just switched from 3G network to my network.
Okay. Right.
So I'm experiencing some audio issues right now, but I think they will be solved in a second.
Okay.
Yeah. So I didn't quite catch. What did you say about Armando and the?
Well, I was telling him about how I'd reworked the first week of the Makers course so that it introduced feature tests, and the concept of feature testing before unit tests. He was saying that in the Berkeley course they've done that now. So I think they're presenting feature tests and user stories before they're talking about unit testing, which I think is the right way around. And so I've been saying, oh, maybe we can adjust the textbook, and maybe the next version of the MOOC will change, but we'll see.
Okay. Cool. So are you done?
Yeah, I'm done. Yeah.
All right.
Go on.
Okay. So on my part, there wasn't much action yesterday. I saw that there was some pair programming going on website 1, and also on the Take Me Away project. So that's cool. And I worked a little bit on the semaphore issues that I was experiencing.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to finish that off this morning, and try to. It's not a big thing because we're not falling behind on anything, and it does not affect our live servers. It's just the deployment part of it. So, but I wanted just to make sure. I had some mails back and forward with the semaphore support, and we couldn't figure out what was wrong. They made a system update on March 24th, but our deploys worked after that system update, so it could not be related to that. So anyways, I have a game plan, so I'm just gonna implement that now. Just remove those old servers and create new ones, etc., etc. So we will be able to push out code through continuous integration once again.
Lovely.
Yeah. And actually, I have to say that I think it was Yarrow and Nick back in the days that recommended Semaphore, and it is a very, very good CI system. I think.
Okay.
CI tool, yeah.
Is there some advantage over Travis?
Well, one of the main advantages I would say is that you have multiple threads that you can use. So you can run RSpec on one thread and Cucumber on the other.
So it runs a bit faster then.
Yes, that makes it run faster. But even now, I because of the coveralls, I want to push out the test results, the test coverage to coveralls, another service. So I have to use one single thread in order to do that. But where Travis ran for 18 minutes or up to 20 minutes for us sometimes, while semaphore runs on 4.5, 5 minutes tops on a single thread. So it's much faster than Travis. Yeah, well, and the interface is also it's a very subjective thing. You either like or don't like some interfaces, but I personally find the semaphore interface a little more intuitive and better for us. So overall, I'm very happy with semaphore.
Oh, good to. Oh, that's good to know. Right, excellent, cool. Anything else to report?
No, not much. Just the same old thing.
All right, good show. Well, I'll maybe see you in the Atlantic Scrum.
Absolutely.
Have a great day, Thomas. Bye for now.
You too, sir. All right, take it easy.